Hi there! Here are the Zeb Music Bomb X Mini, and we have 3 units with us, 1, 2 and 3. Now I'll be doing a giveaway for all these, so make sure you watch this video till the end because these little babies are totally worth it. Now they come with RGB light around the speakers. You can even change those lights in 11 different ways. They're also extremely portable and they're priced at just $1,299. Kya baat hai? By the way, Zebronics had earlier launched even the Zeb Music Bomb speaker, which is bigger and louder and also have the same RGB light around the speakers. And I'd made a detailed review about it. You can watch that video by clicking the card up here. I'll also leave the link for that video in the description. So chalo, let's unbox it, see how they look, how they perform, and I'll let you know if these are a worthy buy or not. Let's begin. So here are the Zeb Music Bomb X Mini, portable Bluetooth speaker. Now we have 3 units with us, as I said in the beginning, and if you look closely, you can see the image of the speaker, you can see some list of its features, towards the back, all its specifications. Now this is a black color, as you can see there's a tick on black. This one is blue, you can see this one is ticked on blue, and I believe this one is going to be yellow. There you go. So we have all 3 colors with us, let's quickly unbox them. Let's do a quick mass unboxing. 1, 2, 3. So I've unboxed all. We have the yellow, black and blue speaker. Inside the box we get a USB-C charging cable and a user manual. Now the blue speaker comes with a pink lace strap, the yellow speaker comes with a brown lace strap, while the black one comes with the orange lace strap. That's a lovely touch. Alright, let's have a closer look. So that's a really compact speaker. It weighs just 258 grams. The build quality is terrific. Really nice rubber silicone finish. There's a metal grill on the front with buttons on the top. Very tactile buttons. The back has this nice wavy texture. On the side, under this hood, is a USB-C port to charge and a microSD card slot to play music directly from it. My only pet peeve is that this rubber section is sometimes really hard to open and close. By the way, the SD card supports only up to 32 GB. Now, before we move further, let me tell you about some of its key specifications. So it comes with 5 W sound output, 50 mm dual drivers, the SN ratio is more than 75 decibels, it comes with IPX5 rating, it comes with built-in FM radio, RGB light with 11 modes, and it supports Bluetooth 5.0. So let's pair it. Press the O button on the speaker. Wow, doesn't that look gorgeous? It says it's in pairing mode. Take your smartphone, go to the Bluetooth settings and look for Zeb Bomb X Mini. Once the name shows up, click and you should be done in a couple of seconds. Alright, time for that sound demo.
On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I never let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off, best friend.
Okay, so the mini speaker, even though it comes with 5 W output, it sounds pretty good and decently loud to fill a room. The bass is quite good and the sound overall is clear and crisp. Frankly, I can't expect more from a speaker of this size. Now Zebronics claims 11 hours of music playback on a single charge, but keep in mind that is when the volume is at 50% and the RGB light is turned off. So expect it to be a lot lesser in day-to-day use. But you can connect a USB cable to a power bank or a power source and continue using the speaker as well, just in case the battery runs out. Now coming to the buttons. So the first one is the RGB light button. You can press it to change the RGB light modes. Some are really cool. You can also double press the same button to turn off the RGB light completely. Then plus and minus is volume when you press it once. Press and hold would change the track, previous track or next track. Then double pressing the O button will toggle to FM radio. You can press minus and plus keys again to scan the channels. Now frankly, I wasn't getting the best reception for radio indoors, but if you use it outdoors or if it's placed close to a window, the reception would be a lot better. Keep that in mind. You can also triple press the O button to trigger your phone's voice assistant. But remember, the speaker needs to be paired and connected to your phone. It works really well for both Android and iPhones. You can also answer incoming calls using the speaker. The other person's voice was really clear, but my voice to him wasn't as clear. My guess is it has a single mic, which isn't the best for phone calls, so you can use it, but the experience won't be that great. also you can connect this speaker to your laptop, which is great as most laptop speakers really don't sound that good. The only con for me is that the speaker lacks a 3.5 aux in. That would have just been amazing. But then amazing RGB lights, sounds pretty good. For $12.99, can't complain. You can buy the Zeb Bomb X Mini from Amazon. It's available in 3 colors. You just saw all of them: yellow, black and blue. I'll leave the links for all below in the description. If you like to buy 1 or 2, you should definitely check it out. Alright, giveaway time, and we'll keep it as simple as always. 3 simple steps to participate. 1. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, TechSing. 2. Like this video. And 3. Comment down below your favorite color of these speakers. We'll announce 3 winners once the likes cross 1000. Yes, just 1000 likes. But remember, the target has to be achieved within 1 month of this video going live. So go right now, subscribe, like and comment to maximize your chances of winning. Of course, do share this video with your friends and family so you can make it there even faster. Trust me, you want to win these. Alright, so if there are any questions, mention them down in the comments. I'll be happy to answer them. Until next time, cheers!